so we want to do number 39, 10.2. So, first things first, I should look for cubes. Okay? Why am I looking for cubes? Because there's cube roots, right? Okay, so is 81 something convenient cube?
3 and 27.
Oh, okay. So you guys are noticing that I could rewrite this as 20 cube root of minus 27 times 3 times t cubed, right? Okay, and then the other bit here, I've got a minus 7. 24 is 8 and 3. So I've got the cube root of 8 times 3 times t cubed. Okay, now which of these are triples? Or which of these are easy to deal with? Okay? Alright, so I've got my 20, right?
Right.
And then, what do I get out of the negative 27?
Negative 3.
Negative 3? Why aren't I worried about plus or minuses here?
Because it's a cube root being a non-number, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's cubed, so I'm not worried about negatives, right? Okay, so I've got 20 minus 3. What else is in there?
T.
Oh, there's a t. You guys see that? Okay, so there's a t, and there's a what left over?
3. Cube root of 3.
Yeah, there's a cube root of 3 left in the end. You guys see that? We have, however, screwed something up right now. What have we dorked?
You need to multiply by negative 3, not subtract.
Yeah, I mean multiplying by all of these things, right? You guys see that? It was all multiplication up here, so it should all be multiplication in the next step, right? Because what did I say? I said, okay, I was multiplying by the cube root of negative 27 here. So I better be multiplying by whatever number that was. You guys see that? Okay, then I've got minus 7. What do you get out of that stuff?
2t.
There's a 2t
Times t.
times the cube root of 3. What else do I need here?
Parentheses around which one?
Yeah, parentheses around some stuff.
Would you better distribute the negative count?
Okay, what do you mean distribute the negative?
Or
Yeah, maybe I should multiply some stuff out, right? What can I multiply out here?
Negative 60t.
Okay, negative 60 t's.
Cube root of 3.
And then there's the, sure, cube root of 3 thing.
Minus 14t. Cube root of 3.
Cool, minus 14t cube root of 3. Yeah? Are these things like terms?
60t. Subtract, you reduce that.
Okay.
Can't you reduce it out and then just still stand as cube 3?
Now you would add.
Yeah, here I'm looking to add, right? So what are my like terms? These things?
Yeah.
Those are what I'm counting here. And how many of them are there?
Negative 74.
There are all told negative 74 of them. And there are t cube roots of 3, whatever the heck that is. Cool. All right. Can I do any better than this? No? Is this the answer that will appear in the back of the book?
Probably not.
Not quite. You guys figured out what your book does when they write down some mess of horrible things?
Good luck.
They have an order that they always follow. They always write things in the same order. They write like nice numbers. Then they write messy numbers. And then they write variables in alphabetical order.
What?
I could not give less of a crap about the in alphabetical order. But it would be really nice if we could start doing this most of the time. And really this is just so that other people can look quickly at it and see where the variables are. So if I was going to write this down, I'd write negative 74 cube root of 3 t's. Just pull that. This is not a step that I'm going to count points off or anything, but if you really want to do a good job with algebra 2, it would be really great if you would follow this order. Again, though, I'm not counting points off.
So you wouldn't subtract the t cubed root of 3 from itself and make it 0?
No. So why aren't those canceling? You guys all see that? So they're not canceling because here there are negative 60 of those, and then here there are negative 14 of them.
Oh.
For them to cancel, there would have to be the same number of them with opposite signs.
Yeah, that's
You guys see that? This is a little bit akin to me saying, okay, you have 60 anti-sheep, and then 14 anti-sheep show up.
Okay, so you consider the t cubed root of 3 as a variable itself, and not as a number.
Yeah, I think about that as a quantity, right?
Okay.
And so that's the thing that I'm talking about here. You over the sheep thing?
No, I changed the subject. You're laughing about it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, and you can suppress that if you want. So if you don't want to think about these as like terms, another thing you could do is you could factor that t cubed root of 3 out of this thing. Right? If we factored this, we'd get t cubed root of 3's times what? Negative 60 minus 14, and that would pretty quickly be our negative 74, right? You guys cool with that? Either way you want to think. Okay. Cool.